Hey guys, it's Tech Extreme, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install macOS 10 onto a virtual machine using VMware Workstation or a VMware Player. So without further ado, let's get started. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Google Chrome and press enter. Then we are going to go on to this video made by TextViewer. I'm just going to type it in here, but for ye, I'll have a link down in the description, so you won't have to worry about doing this. So, it depends on which version you want, but I'm going to go with Sierra. So I'm going to click on this link right here. It's going to give you a page like so, and you're going to want to scroll down until you get down to this. Now, I'm going to choose one full, and then I'm just going to wait for it to load, double click, move this over a bit, sorry about that, and then you're going to click download. Click download anyway and just wait for it to download. You may get a prompt like this, just save it wherever you want and then just click save. So while that's installing, we're going to go down to all tool and we're going to click on that. Just wait for it to load up. Okay, so we're just going to highlight all of these and then we are just going to, is this the download button? Nope. We're just going to click download right here. So at the minute it's zipping up all the files for us so that like it will come in like one easy package. So I'm just going to wait for it to do that. It's prompting me again. I'm going to name this, oh that seemed to fail, but Mac OS Extra. Okay, so I'm going to click resume. And by the way, this shouldn't happen with your computer. It's just for me, like my internet connection can be a little bit dodgy at times. So yeah. So I'm gonna pause the video and go back when it's done. Oh, before I do that, we're gonna go onto VMware. We're gonna download either VMware Workstation or VMware Player. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use VMware Player. Or is it already on this page? It may be. Nope, it's not. Oh well. VMware Player. There we go. Again, I'll leave the links to all of these files in the description below. And also, TextViewer has a YouTube channel. It used to be called Tech Reviews, but it got taken down by YouTube for some reason. Either that or he just deleted his channel. I'm not sure. But maybe the YouTube one, maybe YouTube might delete his channel. I'm not sure. But anyways, we're just going to download this. I'm going to leave it in the description below also. So just save it. Make sure it's downloading. So I'm going to come back once all these files have finished installing. I hope everybody loves my beautiful background. It's beautiful. Nice little shark. Okay, right, so all of our files have now finished installing. So the first thing we are going to want to do is open up File Explorer. After it's opened up, go on to wherever you saved your downloads. And what you're going to do next is find the macOS one, which is right here. Gonna right click, click extract with this, or like if you have 7-zip or something like that, you'd use that. Actually, I'm just gonna install 7-zip. I'll leave a link to this in the description also for whoever wants to actually install this. Right, it's just loading up. For some reason my mouse is lagging up. I don't know why. Could be all these files open. Anyways, so I'm just going to download this and just install it. Right, so it's finished installing. What I'm going to do next is open up File Explorer, right click on it again, right click, 7-zip, extract to, and just wait for that to finish up. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done doing that. Okay, so it has now finished extracting, so I'm going to open this up. Yeah, and as you can see, it's just done, like, it's just extracted. So we're going to install VMware Player now, so just open up the application that you downloaded, which is VMware Player. Or if you wanted to, you could get VMware Workstation. But we don't need that, so we're going to click yes. And we're just going to wait for it to load up. While that's going on, I'll just change to my desktop background. Perfect. And now we still wait. Disadvantages of having a hard drive. It's slow. Beautiful. That's just best face in the world. I bet that's his passport pictures, just like. I bet that's what it is. This one looks nice too. She has big lips anyways. Okay, so we're gonna click next. I accept the terms, click next. Enhanced keyboard driver for macOS, yes, you're gonna need this. So just keep clicking next and install. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done. Okay, so it's now finished installing, so I'm going to click finish. Sorry, wrong one. There we go. Click finish. I'm gonna click no for now. And now we're just gonna open up VMware Workstation 12. Okay, so I am just going to type in my email address. Okay. Right, so after it's just installed and opened up and activated and all of that, we're going to go to macOS Extra or whatever you named it, and we're going to click 7-zip, extract to macOS Extra or whatever you called it. I'm just going to go over. This chair is more comfortable anyway, so. I think it's finished. Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Right, so we're going to click patch tool, right click, 7-zip, extract to patch tool. Open patch tool, unlocker 208, Right click on Win-install and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes, and now it's just going to go through the process of basically allowing us to install macOS onto VMware, which is pretty cool. So now that that's done, what we're going to do next is open our extracted macOS VMware file and basically just make sure that's open. Open up VMware Workstation 12 Player, or if you chose just Workstation, yeah, that's grand. So click Create a new virtual machine. Click I'll install the operating system later. Click Next. Click Apple Mac OS 10 and make sure you choose the one that is for you. So I'm going to select Mac OS 10.12 and I'm just going to leave it for that name. Click Customize Hardware. I'd say give it 4 processors. Make sure it's at least 2. Yeah, so everything looks pretty good. So click Finish. Now, after that, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Delete this hard drive. Click Add. Click Yes. Make sure it's selected hard disk. Make sure it's SATA. Now click Use an existing virtual disk. Now, we're just going to drag this in here, or if that don't work, just go on to wherever you saved it, then just have it like that. Click Finish, then click OK, and now after that, go into your Documents, Virtual Machines, macOS 10.12. Now open up the config file with Notepad, because we need to make a few adjustments to that. Okay, so we're going to go down a line and type in smc.version is space equals space 0. Make sure you save that and just close out of it. After you've done that, you can go back into your virtual machine and click Play Virtual Machine. So right now it's just going to load it up. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's finished.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called
Okay,
VoiceOver.
right,
If you
so
know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to
just
turn
wait
it
for
on
this to
instead of your
finish.
Mac. If you would like to learn how to use the VoiceOver system.
Okay, so it's now loaded up, so all you have to do is set it up, which is pretty easy to do because it's basically a Mac, easy to set up. So let's just give this a go. Alright, so just gonna sign in here. Seems like macOS doesn't like the @ sign. Okay, tab. There. Should just hopefully log in. Yep. So like as you can see, it's really easy to actually set up macOS for like daily use. Oh, I'm never letting my sister at the Apple account again. just enter in my password. Right. Oh no, not iCloud. Please, not iCloud. I beg you, not iCloud. iCloud is terrible. And so are my CPU fans, which are like very loud right now. While that's going on, I'll just check what's going on my phone. Nancy, I'm not friends with Zane or Cheryl. Zayn and Cheryl. And my sister is gone. Marvelous. Look, is it still doing this? Really? I'm gonna be here all night now because of this. I shouldn't have signed in. Nah. Well, I suppose I should pause the video now, shouldn't I? And come back when I'm done. Okay. Okay, finally, it's ready. Set up later. Nope. Also, if it's showing all these options, it shows that like my computer, like it thinks that's an actual Mac, which is a good thing. But it thinks it's a desktop, unfortunately. It's a laptop. Ah well. Uh, now it should just load up now. Hopefully it does. Oh, here we go. It's now ready. Unfortunately, the graphics are not working, like first time, but like you can easily do that yourself. So I'm just gonna wait for this. What would you call this? Apple bar. I'm not sure what you call it. So like once that's all loaded up, what you are going to do next? Click on player, removable. Hang on. Click on player, removable. No, click on manage. Sorry. Click on install VMware tools. Click install and just wait for the prompt to come up. It takes so long. Okay, it's loading it up now. So after it's loaded up, just double click on install VMware tools. For some reason it's taking a long time to load up. The pains of having an Intel Core i3. Ooh, here we go. Might be doing something now. Right. So, click continue. Install. Enter your password. So just wait for it to install. And once it has installed, we're just going to restart it. Hopefully on your PC it would be easier to do. Also, this only works with Intel processors. I should have said this at the beginning of the tutorial. If you want it to work on an AMD processor, you may need to use something like a Neresh distro or something kind of like that. Right, so let's see what's going on my phone. Also, my phone screen at the minute, screen is cracked. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it too well, but the screen is really cracked. And like, I cannot even slide up. My screen is so bad. Like, I can slide down, I think. But like, I cannot slide up. And even when I do, I cannot even enter my password. Look. Nothing. So, I'm basically using this weird situation. I'm in this weird situation at the minute where like I'm using an OTG cable to USB, and then plugged it in there and using it basically like another computer. How long does this really take? It's taking so long, like, longer than I expected. Oh well, I can just edit all this time out anyways. If I wanted to. I probably won't. So that people can see that this is honest, like it's not fake. Okay, it's nearly done. And when you hear that sound, it means that it's successfully done it. So just click restart, and in a minute you'll just see the Apple boot up, which is pretty cool. Passive will actually turn off though. Poor little phone. Wait, is that a dead pixel? Oh, that can't be a dead pixel, can it? Yep, it's a dead pixel. Okay, please press again. Okay. No. The pain of not being able to play piano tiles. Yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is because it's taking so long. Okay, let's see, can I play piano tiles with a mouse? Ah, I'm worse at it already. Ah, god damn you. Screen won't even work. Right. So at the minute it's trying to reboot. Okay, now we're seeing something. Let's just see how it works. Okay, we are greeted with the Apple logo. We see the status bar. It's loading up ever so slowly. Right, it's still loading, I think. Is it? Hopefully it doesn't stop there. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to sign in. And you'll see in a minute the beautiful macOS Sierra. I'll just probably put it up there. I wonder would I be able to use my microphone on this, because I'd love to use the Siri feature. Okay, it's nearly ready, I think. Where is it ready? Oh, it is. Shit. I wonder, is Siri ready? Oh, and as you can see, macOS here just fits. Okay, for some reason, okay, there we go. So I'm gonna go into Siri now. Put this up here. No, it's just for my own benefit. I want to see like how it works. Do you want to enable Siri? Yes. Ooh, it's ready. Still waiting. Please work. What if I hold down Option and click on Siri? Nothing. Okay. Command search. Spotlight search seems to be working fine. Siri? No. For some reason it just doesn't want to work. Oh well. So yeah, that's the tutorial on how to install macOS onto a virtual machine using VMware. If you liked the video, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. Consider subscribing to my channel for more awesome videos like this, and I hope to see you in the next one. This is Tech Extreme, signing out.